can you take some salt, like a handful of salt, like a pinch of salt, a big pinch,
Mm.
in your left hand, anti-clockwise, 7 times
Mm-hmm.
under the tap. That's something I do anytime I feel unbalanced and anytime I think something is trying to attack me.
Okay.
That's one. The other one is after your shower, rub yourself with salt and then rinse it off. But this one is easier, going around 7 times. Go
Yeah.
circle myself 7 times and then just wash that under the tap. And it always sort of changes my energy.
In the right hand, did you say?
No, in your left hand,
Yeah.
anti-clockwise,
Okay. Yeah.
7 times.